fun summer snacks, especially adult ones. These involve grapes, wine, a little bit of sugar, and your freezer. They are so simple, so easy, and so delicious. Red grapes, seedless, put them into some good red wine that you like. I've got some Hess Select Cabernet out of Napa for me. Soak them, 12 hours at least. These have been soaking overnight. Just pull one out, sort of drop it off like that, into regular granulated sugar, plain, simple sugar. You're going to put them onto a tray, because then that tray is going to go straight into the freezer. You're going to freeze them at least 2 hours. When they're all frozen and you pull them out, you get a fun dish like this, and then you get to just pop one in your mouth anytime. They can also go in your wine glass to keep the wine cold if you like something a little bit sweeter. Great thing is, tip, white grapes, champagne or Prosecco, same process, soak, sugar, freezer, and they'll keep your champagne cold all through your party.